Hello everybody, my name is Gattis Kandis and today I will show you how you can use your phone without holding it while you are recording a video or watching a video or having a video call with your friends. So it's very simple. All you need is a metal spatula, a selfie stick, a belt, a little bit of scotch tape and a dog chain. So without further ado, let me show you how to set it all up. So first you take the metal spatula and the belt, and then you thread the belt through the metal spatula like this. Okay, and now when it is like this, now you put it around yourself, like so. And you just close the belt as you normally would close the belt. So now put the metal spatula right... Oh my goodness, did you see that? That was a wasp attacking me. Go away, wasp. So you just put it right in the middle, like so. Then you take the selfie stick and the scotch tape. And now you have to scotch tape the selfie stick on the metal spatula by putting the scotch tape around a few times. Then when you taped it up, you just pull it off, like so. And so now when you have attached the selfie stick to the metal spatula, then you need to fold the spatula up like this. I'll show you, like fold it up like that, like all the way, like that. The reason for it is so it will not move side to side so much, because you're trying to keep it steady, like right in front of your face. And now when you have done that, then you extend the selfie stick up like this, like extend it all the way up. And so last but not least, take the dog chain and put it around the selfie stick like that, and also then put it around your neck. And so this is gonna keep the selfie stick like at the perfect distance from you, as you can see. And so now you're just ready to put the phone inside the selfie stick, and then you're ready to watch a video or record a video or even have a video call with your friends. So I'm putting my phone inside the selfie stick like that. There we go. And as you can see, like right now it is right in front of me. And of course selfie stick like folds up like this, so you can like position it like right directly to your face so you can clearly see the screen. Okay, as you can see, like now I'm watching a video. Let me come closer so you can see the actual video playing there. So I'm playing the video, and look, like I'm gonna come further away. Gonna come a bit further so you can see. See, like I am not holding it at all. Like I can stretch my arms as far as I want. I am not holding it. The chain is holding it and the spatula is holding it. And see, like I can just walk, and I walk and I keep watching the video. Or I can also walk away and watch the video like this. And it is all the time right in front of your face, so you can actually watch it. And you can also, extend this, like you can put it lower, you can put it higher, and you can like, adjust it like so it's facing your face directly. And as I said, I was just watching a video. I can also record the video at the same time. Let me show you that. And now I am recording the video. As you can see, this video right here is actually coming from the camera which is attached to me. From this one, again, I am doing it like hands-free, not holding it at all. I can walk, or I can even run, or I can jump if I want to. And I don't have to hold my hands. I can be like recording a video, and I can be like exercising my hands at the same time. So this is really, really marvelous invention. I can even hop with it if I want to, as you can see, and it still stays there. See, like I am not holding it. It is just right in front of my face all the time. I could also show you a video call with my friend, but at the moment all my friends are busy or sleeping or just don't want to talk to me. But you can imagine, as you would just do as you normally do with your phone, don't hold it, and just like as you're walking, you can be walking somewhere and you can be having a conversation with your friend, like with a video call. Okay, I'm gonna pretend now that I am talking to somebody so you can get the feeling of how it would be for you. There, and then it was like this big bear was running, and this, and then like if you want to turn around, you can turn around and like keep talking to your friend, and it's very, very simple. So that's how you can use your phone hands-free if you want to watch a video or record a video or have a video conversation with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Oh yeah, just one more thing before I go. Once it's put away and folded down, as you can see, it takes very little space as I'm like wrapping the belt around the selfie stick. And that's it, like this is how little space it takes, so you can pretty much fit it anywhere you want, like anywhere, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. So now put the metal spatula right... Oh my goodness, did you see that? That was a wasp attacking me. Go away, wasp. Oh my god, it's not leaving me. Can you people see? Son, help. I don't know what's happening. Oh, it's still here. Get off me. Gosh, I'm scared. You won't let me make a video. The wasp don't like my videos. Was get away. Okay. I think the wasp's gone, hopefully. Okay, I can continue with my video.